Hey, I'm Brendan. I'm back. Today I'm going to be breaking down how we were able to get the drone to fly through the first hoop. So we're coding in
It was
Python.
all my coding, by the way. He did
Yeah,
nothing.
Beckett helped me.
I
I
did
did. I
it.
did most of it. And here's a variable first hoop, and we're telling the drone to go up 90 and then forward 200, and then it lands like it's done. So we'll go through and play it like this. So yes, we're ready to fly, and play. So there's the takeoff. It's gonna go up 90. Then forward 200 centimeters. And then it's gonna land. Alright. Hey, now I'm going to be talking about the second hoop, which we didn't make it all the way through. We hit the corner, it messed us up, but that's okay. So here's a variable. First hoop, like you saw already, we go up 90 and forward 200. But here's the second hoops variable, where we only go up 60, then forward an additional 100. So we're going to go ahead and play. And yes. And get started. So here's our takeoff. We go forward 200. Now I'm going to be showing you our Github and our backups for competition. So it's identical to our PyCharm. This is our first hoop second attempt. That worked better than the video I have shown you. In this video, we go up 100 and forward 300 instead of 200. Our second hoop is still in here. We also changed that when we tried to attempt it. And this is the end of the video now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.